Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we present you 50 beautiful retro historical photos. We hope you will appreciate our work. Write your comment and click the subscribe button. Enjoy the show, and here we go. A shot of the beautiful Sophia Loren in the movie Yesterday, Today, Tomorrow, 1963. January 1940. Woman in dilapidated old house in the Mount Washington district of Beaver Falls, Pennsylvania. She is blind in one eye and her other one is going bad too. She expressed the hope that she would lose her sight completely so she could get some money from blind pension. September 1941. Children playing in DeFreeze Alley, NE Washington, D.C., near Capitol Building. One basement room rents for $9 a month, 2 rooms upstairs for $16, 1 bath and cold water in the hall for entire building. July 1942. Washington, D.C. Sunday in Rock Creek Park. Girls sleeping in a car. Start of superheating union. Inventor Charles S. L. Baker and another man, possibly his brother Peter, standing behind heating radiator system. August 1956. Teenagers at a dance party in Southampton, New York. September 1939. Boy being examined by Dr. Greendale, Wisconsin. This is the Greendale branch of the Milwaukee Group Health Association. June 1939. Children playing Tigard Valley Homesteads, West Virginia. June 1943. Arlington, Virginia. Mirrors over the dressing table conceal a cabinet which gives girls extra space for their cosmetics, etc. At Arlington Farms, a residence for women who work in the government for the duration of the war. January 1941. Steelworkers of the Jones and Laughlin Steel Corporation in Aliquippa, Pennsylvania, waiting for a bus to go home at the end of the afternoon shift. July 1939. Washington, D.C. Parking lot for government employees, and buildings being torn down to make room for parking lot. New York circa 1912. Broadway and Trinity Church. In the distance, the Singer and Woolworth buildings, the latter under construction. October 1941. Schuetz Court, i.e. Schatz Alley, Washington, D.C. Senate office building is in the background. For very small dark rooms rent for $15 and $18 per month with water and privy and yard. It used to rent for $6 and $8. Frank Coles and his friend are sitting on the bench. September 12, 1952. A bit of the husbandly touch is applied by Frankie Sinatra as he greets the Mrs. Sultry Ava Gardner on her arrival at Idlewild from Hollywood aboard Trans World Airlines' king-sized Ambassador Constellation. Miss Gardner is visiting New York for the premiere of her latest production, The 1935. Actor Herman Briggs, now named Bruce Bennett, played Tarzan in 1930s. July 1939. Boy living in camp near May Avenue, Oklahoma City. Photographs show. August 1941. Dude girl with two cowboys at a Saturday night dance in Bernie, Montana. September 1941. Buildings on Main Street of Ghost Town, Judith Basin County, Montana. September 1939. Children who live at Greendale, Wisconsin, a model community planned by the Suburban Division of the U.S. Resettlement Administration. June 1939. Shady Side of Main Street, Elkins, West Virginia. New York circa 1934. New York City views. Wholesale market in Lower Manhattan. Los Angeles, 1960. Sue tribal leaders on the TV show This Is Your Life, with actor Vincent Price, chairman of the Department of the Interior's Indian Arts and Crafts Board. May 1953. Dancer-actress Gwen Verdon posed in a bathing suit. Medium format negative from pictures by various photographers for the Look magazine assignment. (1906). The Arcade Providence, Rhode Island. This 1828 Greek Revival structure, fronting on Westminster and Weybosset Streets, bills itself as the first enclosed shopping mall in the United States. September 1938. Buying groceries in community store, Tigard Valley, West Virginia. July 1941. Merritt Parkway to New Haven, Connecticut. Sweet Mamie Van Doren in a 1955 photo shoot. August 1941. Son of a dairy farmer near Rutland, Vermont. August 1941. Two of the children of Warren Franklin, FSA client of Guilford, Vermont. August 1941. Dairy farmer's children on a haystack near Castleton, Vermont. January 1941. In a slum area of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. January 1941. Street in the Mill District in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. April 1941. Mrs. Henry Dukes, wife of tenant farmer and FSA borrower. She has about 9 children and has been to hospital suffering from cancer. Heard County, Georgia. August 1940. Car belonging to Hep Cats on Main Street in Louisville, Kentucky. San Francisco's Golden Gate Park circa 1920. King Model H foursome touring car at Speckles Temple of Music. April 1940. A hotel room in Dubuque is the setting for this untitled self-portrait of photographer John Vachon. April 1940. Children. Dubuque, Iowa, is all it says here. September 1939. Trucks loading at Terminal Warehouse, Minneapolis, Minnesota. September 1938. Mrs. Betty Zimmerman and child in kitchen of new home at Greenbelt, Maryland. September 1941. Mr. and Mrs. Harvey Renninger with sons Richard and Winfield, members of the Two River Nonstock Cooperative, FSA Co-op, Waterloo, Nebraska. September 1941. Mrs. Harvey Renninger and son in her home with canned goods. Two River Nonstock Cooperative, FSA Co-op, Waterloo, Nebraska. January 25, 1956. Prudential Insurance Company, Newark, New Jersey. From Public Service Roof. Lily St. Cyr, American burlesque performer and photo model. Photo shoot 1943. September 1941. Waterloo, Nebraska. George Lever, President. Don Shinot, Treasurer. Russell Smith, Director. Henry Wallen and J. Rowell, Board of Directors of Two River, FSA, Non-Stock Cooperative, looking at demonstration of Farmel M tractor. Manhattan circa 1910. Park Place, City Hall Park, and New York City Hall. June 1954. Singer Nat King Cole performing in a nightclub. Circa 1905. Roller skating young man on bicycle skates. July 1941. Italian day laborer with basket of beans she has just picked. Seabrook Farms, Bridgeton, New Jersey. Gloucester, Massachusetts, circa 1905. Cod weighing the catch. Bonus photo for you, a beautiful retro woman. Marissa Mates, American actress, photo shoot by the water in 1970. This is the end of our performance. We hope you enjoyed it and appreciate our work. See you in the next performance. Have a good day.